This grandma quit smoking in a single session. This beautiful woman, uh, grandma of a 7-year-old beautiful girl, came to me about 3 years ago, I believe, to quit smoking. She quit in a single session, and every so often I contact her. She sent me many, many referrals, and every so often I contact her to see how she's doing, how she was faring, how her life is moving. And today I spoke to her and asked her some more things. So I just want to share how this woman's life has changed. She quit smoking in a single session, and this is how her life has changed. She's like, my house is so much cleaner. I don't have to wash all over the place because things get yellowed, like the sofa and the things. There's yellow on everything, she says, and I have to clean it all the time, and now I don't have to do any of that. She says, I didn't like the way I would smell, and I couldn't taste food. She says, now I don't even have to worry about having $10 a day for the smokes. So there in itself, she has saved $300 a month. So 12 threes are 36. That's 3,600 times 3 years. That's well over 10 grand. Well over 10 grand. And best of all, for her, she says, I am so happy for my granddaughter. Her granddaughter is a 7-year-old beautiful girl, and she always said to me, Nana, please quit smoking. So this is what's possible. This is what's possible. So if you're ever thinking, or you know somebody in your life who's been smoking for years and years and years and wants to quit the habit, hypnosis is easy. It's using the power of your subconscious mind to make the change. So please give me a call. My name is Jackie McLean. Please visit my website, thepowerwithin.ca. And again, most of my clients quit smoking in a single session. How would your life change? How would your life change? Where would your finances be? Your health? So again, Jackie McLean, go to my website, download your free gift. It's a beautiful hypnosis guided meditation, and many people tell me it helps them sleep peacefully through the night. And wish you an awesome, beautiful day. Bye-bye.